What time's it? Workout time. Hey, hey. Hey guys, so I have not worked out in the longest time. I don't even remember the last time I worked out. Honestly, I don't. Either I've been so incredibly busy for 3 months or I've just been avoiding working out. But I swear this is the saggiest my butt has ever been. And I've just been not in a health routine and it's bothering the crap out of me. So we're fixing that today and it's never gonna be the same and I will never have a saggy butt until maybe I'm over 50.
I'm literally acting like it's the end of the world that I haven't worked out in a month. If you don't work out, it's not the end of the world. I think why I was so mad is because I wasn't like feeling myself and I wasn't as confident as I used to be. And I worked out today again too, and I'm gonna work out tomorrow again. But it's like, I guess I just had the realization that I really need to like get back on it. And I guess that's why I was so fired up. It's more of like a health thing for me too, because I need to work out, especially in the wintertime, just to stay feeling good. Anyways, moving on.
But anyways, the point is you feel like crap when you don't work out, and I just don't feel good about myself. So I'm going to a workout class. It's like the first time in forever and it's gonna be great. It is cold outside, so I threw on this crew neck turtleneck thing that I got from Goodwill.
And then we have these leggings. These are Ella. And then these shoes are Gomez's Puma design.
And I'm gonna go and try and be as athletic as I can. Let's go. I'm so excited to go work out. Ow.
You'll always be my day one. Day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing but myself.
Alright, I'm going in. Talk after someone just saw me. That was really awkward. He just like nodded and smiled at me, so nice. He probably feels bad for me. Okay, I'll talk to you guys after.
We're gonna be coming up and then coming back down. Eventually, we're gonna be coming up overhead and we'll then ultimately be doing some pulses down there too. But we start small, we start with 1 foot off, one.
Holy crap, that was so hard. I swear to you, I was seeing stars. Like at one point, I got so dizzy that I couldn't see anything except for yellow stars in that was all my eyesight was. It was like, and I was like, whoa, and I had to stop. But I feel really good. I know for a fact I'm gonna be so sore because I already can't like bend down and squat my knees. So that's a really good sign. I'm probably just gonna go home, shower, stretch after I eat. So yeah, it'll be a good time. It'll be a good time, you guys. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I am home from 4th hour and I'm so excited because I'm so hungry, and this video is sponsored by HelloFresh. They sent me a whole bunch of food. Look at how nice these are. So we have the sriracha chicken, Juicy Lucy burgers, pork and, Mom, do you know how to say this? P-O-B-L-A-N-O. Portobello.
I don't know.
How do you say that, honey? I didn't even say that.
Pork and poblano.
Pork and poblano tacos. And we have the ingredients in here and over there. Okay, so if you haven't heard of HelloFresh before, basically they are a meal planning subscription service. I heard about them from other YouTubers. Basically, it just makes grocery shopping a lot easier and meal planning a lot easier because you can have your subscription and the food comes right to your door and takes like 30 minutes to make an amazing meal. And I'm not good at cooking, and I feel like you guys know I'm not good at cooking. So this is like a good way to start. They are America's #1 meal kit. To make a meal, it takes around 30 minutes, so it's super fast too, and it's delicious. It's like a home cooked meal. My mom loves the idea of it, and she's actually gonna help me make the meal. Because my mom's an awesome cook. She actually is though. You're a really good cook, Mom. But yeah, I think this is just a good way to start off cooking and meal plans, just because it literally comes right to your door. It's delicious, it's healthy, and I'm really excited to try it because this is my first time that I am using their services. And I have a deal for you guys if you guys want to get started with 6 meals free. So that's 2 free meals out of your first 3 subscriptions or boxes. All you have to do is go to HelloFresh.com and enter the code HannahM60 for $60 off overall. And keep in mind that they are $6.99 per serving. So I really like HelloFresh. I think it's a really cool concept, and I'm hungry, so let's make the food. I think what we're gonna make are the burgers. Look at how good this looks. This is what I'm about to eat. A Juicy Lucy burger, and then we have the pork and, don't know how to say that still, tacos. Oh, this looks so nice. Yummy, but for now, we're making the burgers. All right, 1, preheat and prep. So we have to preheat the oven, and then we have to chop up all this stuff.
So you're gonna take out the core of it. Seed, which seeding is usually you can get it out.
Okay, make onion jam. So I'm gonna get it up. And I gotta get it in. This one would do good. Add onion, cook, tossing until softened, 3 to 5 minutes. So basically, I just take the onions and I put them on here on medium heat. Season with salt and pepper. Timer for 20 minutes.
So basically, you just let HelloFresh do all the hard work so you can just cook, eat, and enjoy week after week, and that's basically it. That's all you have to do. I'm not good at cooking. My mom helped me out, but it was honestly really simple and fun. And that's really all I got to say about this. Trying to spice up this cooking montage. Not really a cooking channel. Don't really cook meals on here often, but enjoy.
Still think of you too. If only you knew. When I'm feeling a bit down, I don't wanna pull through. I look over your photograph and I think how much I miss
so
you.
good.
I miss you.
Voila. All right, here is our taste test. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be really hot. Should I cut it in half?
That looks great, fun.
Oh, come on. Salad. I'm not too big of a salad fan, but pretty good. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Wow, so juicy. All right, I have to go back to school. Actually, I don't give myself enough credit. I'm a pretty athletic person. I just don't do sports.
Turn around and see.
Here you go, puppy. Here you go.
I woke up early in the morning just to feel the light.